If you want to speak, you can unmute it. Just muting. Okay. See, I just wanted to brief out whatever things we have done till now, and then we'll take it further. Okay. Till now in the JSP, we have discussed about the JSP lifecycle and creating sample JSPs, how to create a simple JSP. That is the thing we have discussed. And after that, immediately we jumped into the JSP scripting elements. Okay, all scripting elements will start with this symbol. If you see here, it's a symbol. It looks like in all JSP symbols. Okay. Then we have different kinds of scripting elements we have seen. One is the comments, how to write a comment in the JSP you have seen. That is not specified in this document, but you know that one, right? How to write a JSP comments. And then we had a scripting element tag where you can write a Java code inside like this. There's a number one scripting element tag we had discussed earlier. And the second one we have discussed is the declarative tag. We have discussed how to declare some attributes or some variables and its values, how to declare that. We have discussed using this tag, declarative tag. You can declare anything in JSP page. The third one we have discussed about directive tags. In directive tags, we have seen the different types of directive tags. Those are, one is a phase directive tag, include directive tag, and tag lib directive tag. So we had under phase directive tag, we had 13 attributes to be discussed. One by one we have seen. Many of them we have seen. The examples also we have seen. So include directive tag and tag lib directive tags also we have seen. I will again will take you through them. Okay. Apart from the directive tags, we have one more scriptlet tag, that is nothing but expression tag. Okay, we will quickly go through on the expression tag today, and the remaining part will get into the next level of code JSP. Okay. If you have any doubts on this description, whatever we have done till now, if you're confusing anything in the process what we have done till now, you can raise a question here now. Yes. So just have a high level view of what we have done till now. What are the elements we have discussed about? The scripting tags we have, scriptlet tag we have discussed, declarative tag we have discussed, directive tags. Most of the time we have spent on directive tags, and inside directive tags we have page directive. In the page directive we had 13 attributes. All 13 we have discussed. Okay. I'm taking you through to the document again. Okay. I'm not talking much about the page directive tag. I will talk about a bit of include tag directory and tag lib directory, both of them, and then I will take you to the Java expression tag. Okay, include tag. This we have discussed yesterday, and a little bit I will just show what is the syntax it is again, just to recollect for you. Okay, it will be like we will be having a include tag, the directive tag, like using the keyword include and any file name you can give, so that file, whatever file you are giving, JSP files will be included into your current JSP. That is what it is. This is the, if this include file can be a HTML file, JSP file, text file, etc. Any files can be included into your JSP. For suppose if you have, means that is nothing but for suppose if you can also divide your JSP page on the UI page into different forms, and you can have entire headers in one JSP, entire footer in one JSP, body in one JSP, and you can include your header page and footer page into a main JSP file. That is all about include directive tag. Okay. This is all about an example how it is getting executed. In this example, we have included you ignore that example. Whatever we have discussed is very much clear on what is that include one. Okay, and the second one we want to discuss about is this one tag lib directive. In the tag lib directive, you have a keyword saying that tag lib and URI of the tag lib. Prefix value, whatever prefix value you want to give for that prefix. I will just explain what is the tag lib directive. JSP tag lib directive is used to define the tag lib libraries with tag lib as the prefix, which can be used in JSP. By using the taglib attribute, there is a taglib keyword. You can have any kind of JSP taglibs into your JSP files. More details which in cover in the custom tags. Okay, with this custom tags when we discussed about the custom tags in advanced topics, we can discuss what is taglib and how we are going to use them. Okay, we will be having some kind of libraries. I will just tell you what is taglib and only just one or two statements. We will be having a libraries that is nothing but a jar files in a Java format. You can say. You can write some APIs and from there you can extend and you can include into your classes or your projects and programs. You can make use of them. Similarly, here in Java, you have custom tag libraries and custom tag libraries where you can import. You can include them using this tag lib directive, and you make use of those custom tag libraries and not supplied tag libraries by Java. The syntax of the tag library is it starts with a scriptlet tag, and then it is you will be having a keyword tag lib and URL for the where you have the tag library. Wherever you have the tag library, that URL you will be giving URI and prefix value, some kind of alias name kind of stuff you can give here. Okay. Let's see the example. It's a very small example. I have another examples and I will take you through them also. Okay, here tag library. He just highlighted one is attribute name. Prefix equal to, you can give any tag library you can give. Okay, my custom tag, my tag lib. Something you can give any prefix name. You can give whatever prefix name you are giving, and using that prefix name. Okay, this prefix name tag lib. Using this prefix name, you can make use of whatever attributes whatever available in this. For suppose I have this is a java.sun.com/JSP JSTL code. This is the tag library. That is nothing you can imagine like it's kind of a jar file in a Java. Tag library you have. Okay, you will be giving some name, alias name for that one, saying that my tag libs something. By using that alias name, you are just calling the method something called hello in this code tag library. Okay, that is all about a tag library. Here the tag library is defined with the attribute URI prefix guru tag. This is all about this one. Is a custom tag defined and it can be used anywhere. Okay, it is defined with this name and it can be used anywhere. So with this one we have completed directive tags. Okay, With this one, we have completed all 3 directive tags, and I will take you through the example. I have got some example of directive tags, and I will just quickly deploy and show you. And you can also try experimenting on this example. Take this example, or try to have your hands on them and modify here and there and check how it is working. Okay. Let's see. I'm just going to deploy it. Just closing everything to make you clear. Okay. There are few attributes are used here. All this, if you open, let me open this one. Okay. See, this is the paste directive. We in the directive tags we had 3 types of directive tags: paste directive, include directive, and tag. Paste directive, include directive, and tag lib directive. So paste directive, it is the examples for paste directive. Using paste directive, you have different attributes like a language attribute, import attribute, and buffer attribute, autoflush attribute, all these attributes. So we may not be able to use all of them in one example. So for whatever is required here, we just have all those attributes. One is language, import, buffer, and autoflush here. So how we are going to use, and just to go through these examples based on our explanation to the document. Okay, just let me know if you have any confusions of how it is working. Okay, this is a very simple examples where we are using the scripted tag. This again a include tag. This is again a include tag where we have the separate tag for that one, and I would like to show you the tag library. Let's see if you have in this one. Okay, let me see another file. See here, this is the tag library. So this is how we are going to use. This prefix is given as a C. Okay, where it is using this C? Let's see here. C dot set equal to variable name you are giving some value. See the details, something you are giving. C dot set. So set is a means kind of method in this core custom attribute, and you can give the value for this one, and you can use. So there is another one is a set, and out is another attribute you can use from that custom tag library. Okay, that is one. So as we discussed about directive tag libraries, we have page one, include, and tag live one, and how we are using here in this example. In the order results page, you are using tag library you are using. Okay, and in the index.jsp you are using import you are using, language you are using, and what was the other one? Include. I think we have not see here include. We are including header into this part. Okay, first we have a header different place. Header is written in different place, and we are including that header. Let's see if you have the footer. Similarly you can include footer also here. You can write some footer, something like a some copyrights or something. You can write there, and you can include them. And where is the paste? I was just thinking about this one. Let's see where I have that. Order results. Is there an error page? So error page attribute is from the page directive tag. This is how you want to include whenever there is some errors, and you have to include them. This page will allow you to have error exception handling, and it will whenever you have these errors, and you can just simply send it to this error page. Okay. This is all about this one. I will just try to execute this program, and this is all about directive tags. Try to have hands on this program. I'm just removing everything for now. Directive scriptlet finish. It's a very sample program with only with Java and what you can say, Java and JSP pages. So you can order some, it's kind of a pizza or delivering pizza, online order pizza order application, where you can select some attributes. You can select type of pizza you want, and you can select the small, large, and medium type. You can select extras you want, whatever you want. I want the same chicken, extra chicken on that. So just order it. It will be giving this one. So try to check what is the flow it is having, and what are the means your focus should be in this example. You should be understanding how to make use of for directive tags. Okay, your focus should be on this one. I will share this example. I got this example from somewhere in Google. Okay, I have not implemented, but still it is a very simple one, and you can go through them, and you can get back to me wherever you have confusion. Don't worry much about what is the program all about. You just worry about these tags, how it is working, how you are going to use, how you need to use. That's what it's all about. That is what is more important for us. And then apart from that, we have that. Apart from that, we have expression tag library, where you can be. We'll take you through that one now. This expression tag. Expression tag evaluates the expression placed in it. Whatever expression it has, it will be evaluating that expression. It accesses the data stored into a stored application. It allows creates expression like arithmetic and logical operations. It produces a scriptless JSP pages. Okay, it will be giving us a scriptless JSP, means like if you give some expression like a plus b, and it will be evaluated your expression a plus b, it will evaluate, and whenever you give the value for that expression, and if it will evaluate and give the result, and it will produce a scriptlet JSP page. So this is the example. It is like if here we have the we have one function, something called in this line. Okay, you have some function called, you have numbers. Will be giving a you are declaring two numbers, number 1, number 2, and number 3. Three numbers you are declaring with 10. Number 1 is a 10, number 2 is a 10, and number 3 equal to 20. So here you are evaluating here using the script. This one expression tag. Expression tag you will have equals to symbol. You will be having assignment operator, and then you will be having an expression. Here it will be executed expression. So it will be like a 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 plus 20. That is what this expression it is. Let's see what is the expression of this expression tag. Example, here we are using the expression tag, where we are using an expression by multiplying two numbers, that is number 1 and number 2. Okay, and then adding the third number, that is num3. Okay, that is all about 10 into 10, 100 plus 20, 120, it will be result. When you execute the above code, you will get the following output. Output I have not given. You can take this document and you can try executing it. It will be printed. You 120 as a result for this. When you print, we have not printed this one. Okay, we have to print it explicitly, so that it will be. Oh no, you don't have to do explicitly printing. I think it will be printing you the result of that whatever expression it is. That is all about tag libraries. Means JSP scripting elements. If you have any questions here, you can raise them. JSP scripting elements.